Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on guided access on an iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, scroll down again and tap Guided Access. Tap the Guided Access toggle to turn it on. Now, to prevent someone from exiting guided access without permission, tap Passcode Settings. Tap Set Guided Access Passcode and enter a 6-digit passcode. You can also enable Face ID or Touch ID here if your device supports it, which lets you end guided access using biometric authentication. Once guided access is set up, you can start it anytime by opening the app you want to lock, then triple-clicking the side button or home button, depending on your iPhone model. And that's how you turn on guided access on an iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.